This here's the song we wrote about the hunt for our annual Christmas dinner. Every year we have the tradition of going out on Christmas Eve and getting our dinner. Oh, that's nice. It goes to Jingle Bells. Yep, Jingle Bells and shotgun shells. Are you going to sing it for us? Yeah, I sure am. Dashing through the snow with a 12 gauge on her hip. Grandma brought her jug and she takes a little sip. Something in her sights, it's a possum up ahead. Grandma, she delights because he soon will be good as dead. Oh, jingle bells, shotgun shells, Grandma saves the day. She got a possum in her sack so he can't get away. Hey, jingle bells, shotgun shells, Grandma saves the day. She's bringing possum innards for us kids on Christmas Day. Jingle bells, shotgun shells, Grandma saves the day. She's got a possum in her sack so he can't get away. Jingle bells, shotgun shells, Grandma's on her way. Bringing possum innards for us kids on Christmas Day. Is there a second verse to this? Why, there sure is. You want to sing it? I sure do. With one eye squinted shut, she aims and fires a load. But she can't shoot for squat, so she scrapes one off the road. It's a little worse for wear, so she ties him up with twine. Stewed in jack and onions, he will taste just mighty fine. Oh, jingle bells, shotgun shells, Grandma's on her way. She got a possum in her sack so he can't get away. Hey, jingle bells, shotgun shells, Grandma saves the day. She's bringing possum innards for us kids on Christmas Day. Jingle bells, shotgun shells, Grandma's on her way. She's bringing possum innards for us kids on Christmas Day. Jingle bells, shotgun shells, Grandma saves the day. She got a possum in her sack so he can't get away. And Merry Christmas.